Hey there, it's Mark. Welcome to Truckin Tuesday. I'm going to take a look at the Hot Wheels Cabbin Fever. It's one of those models that are too big to fit in jammers. By the way, if you like the jammers loose car containers, I have an Amazon link down in the description below. Now those are good for most normal cars, but like Cabbin Fever, you can see it's sticking out past this line, so it doesn't fit in the single slot. So you have to put one in the double slot that's open right there. Or you get these. These are pretty commonly available at lots of stores. These are just like, multi-compartment storage containers. You can see there's two different sizes. I like to use these for my longer models, like Cadillacs in particular, just to give you an idea. I'll show you some of the models in there now. And then I also put like the Matchbox real working rigs, right? So they're kind of big, so these are nice. Right here in the middle, I have a piece of styrofoam. So this way they're not scratching each other up. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at this, because I do have a Cabbin Fever in here. And there is Cabbin Fever in orange right here. Here you have that Railrodder truck. See, like I said, Cadillacs are kind of long. Surf and school bus. Peterbilt. The Homer. Oh yeah, this Plymouth Fury. I think this is Plymouth Fury. It's finally going to come out in the basics again. For a long time, for several years, they've been using it in like special series, like the holiday cars. Anyways, and as far as if you're going to stack them up, just put them base to base, and they'll be okay. Anything else in particular? Batman. I seen somebody post a picture of this online recently. I forget if these, I think this was part of a cruise series, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go ahead and get a hold of this one. We'll check it out. I went ahead and pulled out my other two loose samples that were in the jammer's case. And I just noticed all three of mine have PR5 wheels. Just happens to be that way. I did not check to see if they only released it in PR5 wheels every release. I don't know. Now, Cabbin Fever, look, it does have a platform right here. We'll look at that in a moment. When it was introduced in 2000, right when it was introduced in 2000, well, the ramp truck, which had been around since 1991, they turned around and Final Run. They put the ramp truck in the Final One series. So collectors were not happy. Why are you getting rid of this and then giving us this plastic thing? Well, that's just the way it goes. Times change. We'll just take a quick look since I brought it out. Metal base, metal body. Does have this ramp feature, which mine does not. I don't know if they all are kind of wonky like this, but you can put vehicles on there. I'll load one up in just a second. There's a look at the back. And triple axle, all three wheels are the same size. And there is your metal base. How about we go ahead and turn it around? You notice it says copyright 1986. I believe that they used this cab, this part right here. I believe they did use it for other trucks, and that's why it came from that vehicle. I don't think it was the I forget what truck it was, but it was around before. Let's go ahead and see how well my Chevy Avalanche parks on there. Now this doesn't slide out. It just has a hinge right there. So let's go ahead and pull it up. So it's of course it should be good for smaller vehicles. Let's go ahead and see how well it comes off. Hey, that worked pretty good. Let's try a longer model like Cruella de Vil. It's about the same size. It's probably going to go hang up over the ledge. Let's see. So even though it goes up far, it stays on there pretty good. Go. Okay, back to Cabbin Fever, which is really the feature model of this video. It does have Hot Wheels logo on the back. Again, triple axle, but this time they put a big tire in the back. It's kind of nice. It has this chrome part right here. Got a nice reflection coming off of there. Let's see, it probably just has a metal cab. I'll check right now, but I'm pretty sure only this part is metal. Plastic, and the base. Cabbin Fever, copyright 2000, Mattel Incorporated, made in China. It's pretty hard to see. I did touch it to my nose, and only this part up, only this part is metal. This is plastic. This is plastic. Let's go ahead and check out the actual ramp action. It has little things for you to pull on. You can open. Well, let's just do this. There you go. Kind of sits more like a flatbed trailer. Let's go ahead and put a 65 Mustang up on there. There you go. Wow. It's I thought it was going to slide under there, but it does not. Do I have one that's pointier? This one's kind of pointier, but it might still be high up. Come on, Mark 5. Oh yeah, look, that one fits better in. Fits in better. Let's take a quick peek at the other two color samples that I had. Once again, opening flatbed. It says California Speedway on it, and it says it up on top right here. What's going on? Oh, I'm touching my camera. Back up. There you go. Same on the other side. I thought, no, plastic. And the third sample, race team. Love collecting race team, especially blue. This isn't exactly my favorite race team decoration, but it's in that style. It has a black ramp and translucent plastic part right here. Now this one right here, they chromed it. They chromed that one. And for the first one, I did not notice that it is translucent as well. Once I noticed that, on this one, once I noticed it was translucent, there's the window piece. I also noticed that this part right here, right to the left of the 8, that's part of the interior, and that's translucent as well. I thought maybe it would be brake lights. No brake lights, no headlights. I kind of was hoping that that part would stick through. But yeah, this piece right here is part of the bed. That's yellow. No, yellow. That's clear and clear, so that's it. Jones Body Shop, and Jones was a designer for Mattel. Of course, number 68, Hot Wheels, born in 68. The race team version had a number 8, and if I'm not mistaken, it was the 8th one in the race team series. And I do see names on there as well at a glance. Kind of hard to see. I'm not sure. They might all be fictitious. I don't know of any of them being designers. You want a close-up of the logo for the California Speedway? There you go. Hey look, Circle Trucker snuck in here for Truckin Tuesday too. Remember, the links for those containers are in the description below. As a matter of fact, the first video I did for this channel showed all of the containers that I used. Thank you for watching. Happy collecting. Bye bye.